now?
Yeah, I do. I do hear you. Perfect. Where are you from?
The UK.
You're from UK. Very good. Do you know Bangladesh?
I've never been to Bangladesh, no.
Yeah, but have you ever heard of this name?
Yeah.
Very good. Do you ever come in Asian country for visiting? What happened?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you now.
Somebody rang.
Oh, okay.
Somebody rang me.
Oh, somebody rang you, and that's I thought. That's all. You have been frozen.
Yeah, somebody rang me.
Yeah, okay. Did you ever come in Asian country? Anywhere?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Do you work? Or you are still apprentice?
I work.
Oh, you work, but you look like around 20. But I think you people are very high conscious about your life. So I think you people try to work from your early age.
Yeah, everybody works when like they come out of college, which are around like 18.
Yeah, oh, okay, I got it.
You can work. You can work at 17 or.
Oh, so anyone
16.
can work at the 17, 16, 18 according to their own will.
Just certain jobs though, 17 and 16. You have to be 18 for most.
Yeah, but I have a question. Why you people try to rush for working at your early age?
We don't. That's just the rules over here. That's how it works.
Oh, okay. But do you have to pay the tax after 18-year-old?
Yeah.
That's why you are trying to work at your early age.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very cool. But what is your future plan? May I know, please? Do you have any venture?
I'm doing uni to be a teacher.
Oh, there's a higher classified job. Good teacher. Okay, I think you will be, because I see a good vibe inside you, very politeness. You are very generous, really, very generous to the people. Which part of England you are living now?
In the north of England.
North of England. So I have another question. You know, I'm practicing English, so that's why I try to talk with a native English speaker, literally, who are come from British, Australian, Canada, and America. So if I ask you a question like, do you believe in religion?
No, I'm not religious.
Oh, you are not religious. Okay, but what about your culture? Do you face any difficulties to follow your culture, or do you see any negativity in your culture?
No. Yeah, no.
Okay, what are you doing now?
I'm doing nails. So I've just glued these on and then I'm gonna paint them.
Oh, beautiful. Really so beautiful.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my siblings. It's a joint family.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 5 brothers and 1 sister. What about you?
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
2 sisters and 1 brother. But what about you? You are older one or your youngest one?
So it goes my brother, and then me, and then my 2 younger sisters.
Oh, okay. First your brother, and then you, then younger sisters. That's good. What does your brother do?
I'm not sure.
Does he not live with yours? Oh, beautiful.
No.
Okay, beautiful. Wish I could help you to make a good nail.
I have pins and needles.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what that is?
No.
When, like, your foot goes numb because you've been sat on it for too long.
Oh. Liv?
Yeah?
What is your purpose to use this platform?
I don't know, because I've not had this app for a while.
Okay, just hang out with the friends, try to talk to the people, knowing the different culture, different communities.
Yeah, just talking to different people.
Yeah.
Well, my phone is on 3%.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I let you go to power up now. I know your battery is draining. I'm so happy to be with you here. Have a good day.
Bye.
Okay, bye.